Hi everyone, today's video is on these Aurora French nails. This is something that I learned from following a tutorial from the Clawgasmic Nail Network, but it's got a bit of a twist on it, so I'm just gonna talk you through what I'm doing. So I already had my tips on and things, and I'm starting out by making some reverse French smile lines, and the cover pink that I'm using to do this is Glitter Bell's Cashmere Cover, I think it's called, and I'm using my Nailed by Lucy size 12 brush today. So I'm going to do that on all of the nails apart from the ring finger, because I'm going to have that as a solid white nail. So after I've done these smile lines, I'll come back to you with the next steps. So I filed those smile lines off camera, and now I'm adding my white tip, and I'm not using acrylic to do this. I wanted to do it with gel polish because that's how I watched the tutorial, but I think you could do this with white acrylic so long as you kept it really thin, but yeah, I'm using gel polish. This white is Arctic White from Gelish, and I only did one coat of this because I thought it gave quite good coverage, and I'm trying to just avoid adding any unnecessary bulk to this. So this set was a bit of an experiment. So yeah, I'm just adding that. I had smudged my acrylic base that I'd put down, so it looks a little bit lumpy there, but I wasn't too bothered because I thought I'm gonna be putting stuff on top like chromes and things. I think next time I'll try this, I'll try and make it a bit of a smoother finish underneath, just because chromes and stuff do pick up like on divots and things like that in the nails, so just bear in mind. So now I'm adding a really thick no wipe top coat. So this no wipe top coat is the Blue Sky no wipe top coat. It's super cheap. You can buy it online from a few places, and it's really thick. I love using this no wipe top coat for chrome. That is pretty much all what I use it for. So I've cured my no wipe top coat for 60 seconds, and now I'm just rubbing in with a little bit of a makeup sponge my unicorn pigment, which is from Diamond Glitters. That's it, Diamond Glitters. So I've put some of that on, and now I'm just like dusting off the excess here. And now I'm adding some foil gel on the nails, and I'm just adding it down the middle because that's the only area where I'm gonna place my foil. So you could do like different sections if you wanted to, but this is how I watched the tutorial, just putting it on the center part. So I've done that, and I made sure I cured it for 120 seconds, so a 60-second cure twice, because apparently that, I didn't know this, that gives you that full coverage foil look. And then I'm using this like see-through iridescent foil that I think I got cheap. I think I got it off AliExpress, but this is the only one I've got, so I need to get some more because I really want to recreate more of this look and do different things with it because I love it. But yeah, so I've added this foil to those, and I wanted to just do a second layer just to make sure that that effect is really kind of popping out. So I'm going over with my foil gel again, and I'm going to do another cure for 120 seconds, and then add that same iridescent foil on top to all of the nails. here's what they're looking like so far in this process. You can see that foil on top of the chrome, which is nice. And now I'm covering that with my thick Blue Sky No Wipe top coat again. They're looking a little bit like kind of lumpy here, but not lumpy, but you know what I mean, like bulky on the tip in a gel polish kind of way. It's the only way I can think to describe it, but it doesn't matter because we're going to encapsulate and file and all that stuff. But I just want to make sure that I've got all that foil and chrome like really well covered with this No Wipe top coat, because I'm going to buff it before I encapsulate it. So I'm just quickly buffing over that area that I put the No Wipe top coat on after they finished curing, and then I'm going to dust them off. I'm just wiping a little bit of cleanser on where those smile lines are, just because a bit of the chrome got on there, and went to make sure that there was none on there. And now I'm just encapsulating as I normally would with my clear acrylic. So I'll come back to you when I finish doing that. I also want to try this method out with like some different colours and stuff. I thought when I initially started doing this, I thought, oh, this might take quite a long time, but actually I was really surprised. Like, this really took me hardly any time at all, you know, like compared to any sort of other nail design I would normally do. Yeah, probably only maybe took me an hour, maybe a bit less, because there's only 4 fingers on this hand. But yeah, it really didn't take me like, you know, a huge amount of time like that 3D French did the other day. Like, that one nail took me an hour. So yeah, this is definitely you know, not terrible for time. So let me know if you end up trying a similar design. So I've finished filed and dusted off camera, and I'm finishing the nails off with my gel bottle No Wipe top coat, which I've got one up for grabs in my competition, so I will leave a link to that if you haven't entered yet. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way these came out. I've been obsessed with this like Aurora kind of 3D look since I saw it, and I couldn't figure out how it was done, and then I saw the tutorial on Clogasmic, which I'm subscribed to, so I thought I'd give it a go. And obviously, you know, if I want to put something on French, I'll try and do it because I love French nails. But yeah, so let me know, guys, know what you think. Let me know if you try this look out or any other sort of like technique that you're into, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.